Dear students, myself Sanjay Kumar Dubey, your moral science teacher, suggests you that stationery shops are opening. You should buy books and copies and do your work on fair copies. Here is your first lesson, my strength. Strength मतलब ताकत. Self-awareness is composed of two words. Self means persons on nature and awareness means being interested in something. Thus, self-awareness means knowledge of persons on nature and character. Self-awareness is a foundation stone. On it are based personal growth and success. Self-awareness help us in understanding and gaining an insight into our strength and weakness, likes and dislikes, talents as well as shortcoming. So, it is essential to develop self awareness. For developing self awareness, we need to do as under develop awareness of our strength, weakness, and talent in various fields. Gain awareness of our feeling, opinions, and values and how they relate to those of others. Here is a story about my strength. Here is a story that may seem simple in reading but can teach us symbolically a lesson in self awareness. Zero is not zero but something significant. A teacher of mathematics called every week students Mr. Zero. He used to say, "You are zero, Mr. Zero, what will you get in your life?" And this assumed the zero. One day he invite all the numbers to a feast. Feast मतलब दावत होता है. As the feast was about to begin, it was noticed that all zeros were missing. A long search was made by the other numbers. The zeros were found hidden behind some books. The other number brought the zeros to the mathematicians. Why were all of you hiding? Asked the mathematician. The zeros said in a chorus, "We are only zeros. We have no value. You yourself call every week student zero. Why should we be with all other numbers that have some value or other?" The mathematician made out the pain in their heart. He asked the number 1 to come forward and stand in front. Then he asked the group what is his value. One said, all in a loud voice. The mathematician asked a zero to come and stand next to one. Then he asked the group, what is the value of the figure now? 10, said group. Then the mathematician made many zeros stand next to one. Tell me what I am doing. The number said, you are increasing the value of 100,000, 10,000, million, billion, trillion. We can't count the number now since it has become too big to understand. The mathematician turned to zero and said, now you can realize your real worth. One is just a small number, but when you stand next to it, its value increases to such an extent that you can't even count or name the number. All the numbers clapped joyfully. The zeros who always looked sad smiled. The zeros thought, what a wonder! We have great worth and more than that. If we join others, we increase their value 10 times, 100 times, and so on. Thus, none of us is perfect. All of us composite of strength and weakness. We have to remove our weakness and enhance our strength. Dear students, I am going to explain this story. This story tells us the importance of unity and also tells us that all of us are composite of strength and weakness. According to this story, there was a teacher who ashamed his weak students by calling him Mr. Zero. One day he invited all of the numbers in the feast and realized in the starting of the feast that zeros are missing and hidden behind some books. And after the knowing the reason of this, the teacher and after the knowing the reason of this, the teacher realized the pain in their heart and asked the number to come forward, and when all the numbers joined together with zero, their values increased and become tens, hundred, thousand, million, billion, and so on. So this story tells the strength of unity, and I am suggest you once more that your books and copies shops are opening and purchased your books and copies so that you should do your work in the fair copy. And your homework is that read once more this story and write and learn word meaning of underlined words.